The beautiful Madras checks kind of pallu. All over the body is vertical stripes in mustard, in lovely cherry red, lovely, I would call it a violet. In Tamil, they actually would call this the Vadamalli color. A web of zari here in gold, very, very grand against a chili red background. Borders have got lovely beige and brown, coffee brown or snuff brown alternating. Wow, this is a lovely, beautiful ikat woven pallu. Lovely diamond booties alternating beige and pink all over the body. Beautiful saree with lovely gold zari booties all over the body. You will be able to see the nice, lovely Rudraksham booties. And alternating, it's got zari booties. This row has got zari. This row has got this lovely blue threadwork booties, floral booties. It's got beautiful gold zari, vertical stripes all across the body. Beautiful wonky motifs. In between the wonky motifs, you have these beautiful floral motifs. Sarees and clothing made in Coimbatore or Kovai, as it is lovingly called. The people in Kovai, the artisans, the weavers in Kovai, somehow seem to have a taste and an aesthetic which is very, very different from the rest of Tamil Nadu. And it always looks a little fancy, looking classy, and a little different from the rest of Tamil Nadu. Hello, Avishya fans and handloom lovers. Today, what we're going to see in this episode is this lovely collection of Kovai Silk Cotton Sarees. First, I'll quickly show you 2 or 3 sarees from this collection. We'll start off with this wonderful mustard yellow Kovai Silk Cotton Saree. Wow, I'm unwrapping it. Wow, as I'm unwrapping it, see the colors unfold. There's lovely, as you can see, 2 leaves here in gold zari. I'll just open it out for you. Lovely, beautiful mustard yellow, very, very nice and bright. And the pallu or the mundi is a lovely lavender and violet. Beautiful Madras checks kind of pallu. It's fabulous. And the blouse is a lovely Madras checks again. So beautiful. Look at the combination. Lovely combination. Quickly, let's see the next one. This one, as I'm opening it out for you, it's a Mehndhi green and it's got workmanship in mustard yellow and red all over the body. I'll open it out for you. Beautiful workmanship all over the body. You can see the booties which are woven beautifully. All over the body is vertical stripes in mustard, in lovely cherry red, beautifully woven together. Very intricate floral motifs and lovely zigzag motifs and beautiful bouquets of flowers. It's lovely weaving. And of course, the pallu itself is so stunning. In the center, there's a lovely mustard panel and both sides cherry red color or deep cherry pink, whatever you call it. It's beautifully woven floral motifs. Very, very stunning. The fabric is beautiful. This is the saree. Let's see what the blouse looks like for the saree. Blouse is because the whole body is very busy vertical stripes. The blouse is a very, very plain, stark Mehndhi green without any pattern. So that will contrast nicely with the body because the body is so busy. It's a plain Mehndhi green blouse. So this is this saree. Let's move on to the third saree in this particular episode. This is beautiful parrot green Kovai Silk Cotton Saree. Let me open it out for you. Wow, beautiful, lovely. It's a gorgeous, stunning and stylish combination. This lovely parrot green body combined with this beautiful, lovely, I would call it a violet. In Tamil, they actually would call this the Vadamalli color, or you can call this the very, very nice violet color. And all over the body, if you come closer, you can see these lovely booties, beautiful gold zari booties all over the body. It's really, really nice. And the weaving is very intricate on this saree also. As you can see, let's see what the blouse looks like. Wow, nice, beautiful, lovely, really colorful and really bright violet color blouse with a nice band of zari which can be used for the sleeves and the back. So overall, this is how the combination will look. The blouse, as you can see, the pallu and the body. It's a stunning combination. It's called a wine color is what they would call it in Tamil Nadu or in Kovai. It's a wonderful design. Let me open out the whole saree for you. Nice, beautiful, fabulous. Look at the interplay of colors of violet and red, and it's a short color, so it's beautifully coming out the wine color. And of course, lovely square booties all over the body with beautiful curving intersection this way and that way. It's a beautiful web. It's like a web pattern, beautiful web pattern. Similarly, the same web pattern continues in the pallu as well. Only thing, it's a stunning chili red. So the chili red contrasts beautifully with the wine red of the body, and the beautiful zari, the spinning a web here, a web of zari here in gold. Very, very grand against a chili red background and contrasting nicely with the wine red. It's beautiful pattern, and you can see the blouse now. Yes, beautiful. The blouse is also a lovely chili red, as you can see. And of course, it's got the nice line of zari to showcase the whole gold blouse. Yeah, we'll move on to the next saree. Lovely, beautiful, very striking aqua blue. Let me open out the saree for you. Wow, gorgeous, beautiful, stunning. It's got a tinge of greens and it's contrasted nicely with that rich magenta pallu, which has got Rudraksha motifs all over the pallu. It's beautiful, and the edges are very, very nice mauve color edges, saree borders as well. So it's very nice. And if you see the blouse, the plan is a lovely, again, a rich, deep magenta blouse. So overall, this is how the saree would look: the body, the pallu, and the blouse itself. And the blouse has got a nice band of saree. Nice, the same Rudraksha motifs are there, thick like the pallu. Same thing is there, which can be used to decorate the sleeves of the back. So it's a lovely saree. Let's move on to the next one. Wow, nice. This is a very different, it's a very saturated pink is what I would say. Very, very nice design. It's got beautiful temple borders. Just open this out in full for you. Yes, fabulous. The color is beautiful. It's beautiful. And the borders have got lovely beige and brown, coffee brown or snuff brown alternating. It's woven along with the saree. So the snuff brown and the pink has got mixed up here. There's a beige here. It's alternating temple borders on the bottom. The pallu, as you can see, is beautiful. Again, the snuff brown panel in the center, which has got nice stripes across. And on both sides, this is horizontal stripes. Both sides, there are vertical stripes. The same beige and snuff brown combination, alternating stripes on both sides on the pallu. Let's see what the blouse itself. Beautiful. It's a beige contrast blouse for the saree. It's a stunning combination. And of course, it's not just plain beige. It's got self stripes and horizontal stripes in the same saturated pink. So it's very, very pretty. Very stylishly typical Kovai silk cotton design. It's really stunning. Very, very nice. Yeah, next we'll see this beautiful emerald green saree. It's nice. Nice emerald green. I can see booties all over. Let's open it out and full. Wow. Wow. This is a lovely, beautiful ikat woven pallu. And look at it. It's a lovely star shape in the center. There's a circle. There's a beautiful parrot green circle with a beautiful motif in the center. There's a four clover motif in the center. And around that is a nice star shape. And around the star, you have beautiful paisleys. Lovely paisleys all around. So it's a lovely, it almost looks like a column. It's like a beautiful column has been drawn here. And on top and bottom, we have these lovely temple motifs. Beautiful. Again, ikat versions of whatever motifs I'm telling you, it's been woven in a typical ikat form. So it looks very nice. It looks a little fuzzy, little blurry because of the ikat weaving. It looks beautiful. Really, really beautiful. Temple borders on both sides. And let's see what the blouse looks like. Yes. Wow. Beautiful. Again, lovely ikat weaves in alternating mustard. And here they've used a lovely green, aqua green, light aqua green or aqua blue. I'm not able to say. It's so nice. It's a lovely greenish blue aqua finish and nice jagged edges, beautiful ikat weaves throughout. And of course, it comes with a lovely zari edging as well, which can be used to decorate the sleeves and back. So overall, it's a gorgeous saree. This is how the saree looks. The rich ikat pallu and the blouse along with the beautiful emerald green body with nice gold zari booties all over. Next, we see this beautiful, lovely royal blue saree. I'll open it out for you. Yes, so nice in beautiful royal blue with a touch of purple, I would say, with lovely diamond booties alternating beige and pink all over the body. It's a nice design. If you see the pallu has got lovely, beautiful weaves, jamdani kind of weaves all over. Lovely, beautiful finish all over. Very thread work. It's a thread work pallu. The thread work is very skillful, very nicely woven. And of course, the blouse is a beautiful, lovely, I would say, watermelon colored blouse. It's a nice watermelon color which contrasts beautifully with the deep royal blue, indigo royal blue of the body and the pallu. So it's a lovely saree. Let's move on to the next one. Yes, nice. This I would say is a peacock green, or in Tamil they would call it a mail kaduthu color. It's very nice. Let me flip it over. Nice, beautiful, lovely saree. Beautiful saree with lovely gold zari booties all over the body. And the borders are a little traditional in this particular case. Slightly traditional looking saree. The top border doesn't have any booties. The bottom border has got gold zari booties, Ora Butta as it is called. It's there. The same thing continues here. And there are some very cute little paisley motifs or manga pinji motifs in Tamil, as they say, all over the body as well. The pallu is a nice, beautiful platinum zari pallu. Lovely Kodimalar designs all over the pallu. And in the end, you again have a paisley shaped, lovely little floral or leaf motif. So this is how the saree looks. So this particular saree is a slightly traditional saree with a traditional look. And let's see what the blouse looks like. The blouse is a plain, beautiful, very rich royal blue, beautiful royal blue, and this is how the whole saree looks together. The saree body, the pallu, and the blouse. Now we come to this lovely, beautiful light sandalwood or ivory color. I would say it's light sandalwood, beautiful color, very, very nice. Let me open out the saree for you. Yeah, beautiful, lovely. And if you come closer, you will be able to see the nice, lovely Rudraksham booties. The gold work, gold zari work all over the body. These booties are coming. Very subtle, very understated. So it'll be very, very royal, regal and grand when you wear it. And of course, both the top and the bottom, they have a lovely border. Beautiful Bhavanji border. But again, it's not very thick. It's a normal small border. Lovely Bhavanji style and with the beautiful green edging both sides. So it looks very, very traditional. It looks very much like a Kerala style sari, almost like a Kasavu. Many of the Kasavu designs have this kind of a combination. So it looks like a Kerala Kasavu sari, but it is a Coimbatore silk cotton inspired by, I think, Kerala Kasavu sari. And the pallu is beautiful. Again, lovely green, beautiful green done. The pallu has got diamond booties all over and some floral booties on both sides of the center panel, which is all diamond booties. Very rich. So the grandness of the pallu contrasts with the simplicity of the body. And let us see what the blouse looks like. Wow, nice, beautiful. The same beautiful, lovely, lovely leaf green, lush leaf green, beautiful leaf green blouse. And it's also got this lovely, beautiful zari band as well, which can be used to decorate these sleeves and the back. So you can imagine how stately the person will look wearing this. This is almost just, although it's silk cotton, it almost looks like a Kerala bride sari. It's really stunning and beautiful. Wow, nice. This one is very deep purple, I would say. Very, very deep purple. I think they've got lovely floral booties and alternating. It's got sari booties. This row has got sari. This row has got this lovely blue threadwork booties, floral booties. And the pallu is gorgeous. You can see how grand it is. Very thick sari. Lovely jali motifs in the center. Very thickly woven jali motif. It's not a very large jali. Very thickly woven. If you come closer, you can see the weave. It's really rich. And on both sides, multiple patterns on both sides. Beautiful chain motifs here. Beautiful chain motifs, zigzag motifs. It's beautiful and all done in gold zari. So it's really rich and grand. Of course, the border of the sari has got a Bhavanji style finish. Nice thick sari on the borders, both in the pallu and the body itself. So overall, this sari looks the contrast very nicely against this background. Let's see what the blouse. Beautiful, lovely, beautiful metallic gray. Beautiful gray, metallic, very, very gray metal finish. So the blouse and the pallu and the body together, if you look at it, it has a very, very fabulous, very grand, stately appearance. Next, we'll move on to, this is a sandalwood color. So real proper sandalwood color sari. Beautiful. And the body itself, the sandalwood body, it looks almost like red sandalwood. Is beautiful, rich sandalwood finish. It's got beautiful gold sari, vertical stripes all across the body. As you can see, across the body, these stripes are coming. Beautifully woven chain motifs. It's almost like a toranam hanging from top to bottom, vertical stripes all over. Then we come to the pallu, this light Mehndhi color. Again, it's got beautifully woven zari lines close to each other in different combinations, beautiful lines. And of course, in the edge, you have a chevron motif. You have a nice chain link motif, one more chevron motif, and one more beautiful, lovely traditional motif. Very, very nicely done floral motif. So it's really nice, very intricately woven and very rich. The combination of the sandalwood and the light Mehndhi and the zari looks sensational. And let's see what the blouse looks like. The blouse is a beautiful light Mehndhi color. So it's really, really nice. Very tasteful, very royal sari. It's absolutely, this is something which will be stunning, can be even worn to a grand wedding reception. Finally, we come to this beautiful, I would say, this is a nice snuff brown color, is what I would say, with a slight greenish tinge. Let me open this out in full for you. Lovely design, beautiful. It's a graphite gray. It's a short color, graphite gray with olive green. So the graphite gray and olive green together give a beautiful, lovely weave. You can come closer. The weave looks very, very nice. And you can see the booties woven beautifully, alternating leaf green and sari. And the work is really, really beautiful. Very stunning, very pretty work. The booties. This is the body. Of course, the borders have got a line of zari, thin line of zari running throughout the body, both on the top and the bottom. And the edging is lovely green. The pallu, of course, is again very grand. Beautiful wonky motifs. In between the wonky motifs, you have these beautiful floral motifs. So it's a beautiful, it's almost like a wonky and a Kodimalar combined, but in a very, very organized, ethically woven together, very, very close to each other. On both sides, you have this lovely green panel. And then in the edge, you have a lovely line of sari, beautiful floral sari motifs. This side and this side, both sides. So really, really very, very classy, very majestic sari. Let us see what the blouse of the sari way has been planned. It's a lovely, beautiful, plain, beautiful, lovely green. It's almost a olive, not an olive green. It's a lovely bottle green, I would say, light bottle green. It combines very well with this gray and the dark graphite gray and the zari of the pallu. Combination looks fabulous. If you can see, it's overall looks very, very nice. Very, very stunning and very classic saree. I hope you enjoyed watching these sarees, this lovely Kovai Silk Cotton collection that we brought to you today. I hope you enjoyed it. This saree and the other sarees that we saw, we have this wonderful collection at the store. Please come over to the store. It's there at 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet, and we have the entire collection of Kovai Silk Cottons here. Kovai Silk Cottons are very special and not very easy to find. We found some of the best collections from our artisans in Coimbatore. So we've got this collection for you. Please come over. We'll be very happy to show you the entire collection. For those of you who are not in Chennai, please log into avishya.com. The entire collection is available there. Our customer service team will be available there 16 hours of the day, so they can answer all your queries. They'll help you find the right saree that suits you and also help you to place the order. Of course, if you like this video, please do hit the like button, the subscribe button. Don't forget to click the bell icon so that you keep getting notified and you don't miss any of our gorgeous sarees, our collections that we keep launching from time to time. Of course, any new offers, all of that will be notified to you. So please don't forget to click the bell icon. And once again, I invite you to the store. Please come over and take a look at these sarees. Thank you so much for watching. For another bit of news for you, that we've also launched our app. So those of you who want to get a constant notifications on our uploads, please download the Avishya app. It's available on the Play Store and the Apple Store. Please download the app and you can be sure that all our updates come to you. Thank you.